Hey everyone! So I did mix up some cloud paint on my last video with the Bear satin enamels, and I thought, let's try it on a reverse swipe. Let's see what happens. So I am going to use a 7-ounce cup, and I'm going to spray it with my WD-40 silicone spray. This is just to help the paint release from the cup and hit that canvas the way I want it to. So I do want to put just a touch of this white in the bottom to go through the other paints. And I'm going to start with Prussian Blue from Soho. And I'll follow that, let's follow that with the silver. And then I'm going to go with Dioxazine Violet from Soho. A little bit of Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue. And this is Soho Cerulean Blue. And then I'm going to put some more Prussian Blue up high so it goes through. Okay. I did put silicone in each one of those cups, just 2 drops. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this. And you can see when we use that silicone spray, the paint drops quicker. Okay, so I've got my cloud white all around. I'm going to go ahead and flip this cup. And then I'm going to pull that white over. Just to see if we get a different effect. It's really giving an effect because it's not covering. So this ought to come out pretty cool. Okay. Does not want to cover, which is a good sign. So we'll get a nice result from this. I'm going to give that just a little torch. Doesn't need much. It's loaded with cells. And we're going to tilt. We are getting some reactions, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and let this one sit, and we'll watch it develop. Maybe 5-10 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what we got. So I'll see you in a few. And I'm back. So lots of new cells through here. Just want to pick it up and give you a peek. So it really did behave quite well. So yeah, that's pretty cool using that cloud paint. We did get some nice effects. And of course my silver, everything's still there. It didn't eat anything up. The cell formation is a little more fuzzy. And I believe it's probably from that paint itself. You know, like we get these really good definite cells. And then of course we get the cells that are white paint inside with the color. But I'm pretty happy with that. I think it looks really neat. Can't wait to see this one varnished. But if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. And hit that bell. You'll be notified when we upload our next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about using that cloud paint as the swiping white. It was totally different for me. I've never done that before, so I thought I wanted to try it. But join our group, our Facebook group, Parage Posse, All the links are below for paint mixing, and our post office box, the Stone Coat Art Coat resin code is below. Our Etsy shop. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And pick yourself up some of that Behr satin enamels. Works great. I don't see any difference between that and the Deco Art. And of course you get a lot more paint for the money. So yeah, we'll see you all on the next one. Have a great day. Bye now.